In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get goal effects here in Soccer Zero on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, goal effects are probably one of my favorite part of this game. I'm going to be honest with you. And they're actually super easy to actually get. You just need to open up the shop from the main menu, and then you can actually go to the little pack section right here, and you can purchase like a goal effects card pack, which will include multiple goal effects, and it's only 5,000 yen or 199 Robux. But yeah, just buy or open the pack to get a chance at different effects. And once you do have one, you just need to go into the locker, go to goal effects, and of course you can equip it. And it'll show you exactly what it looks like once you score a goal. And to be honest, this one is pretty sick right here. The fireworks one that I currently have. You can also get them by typing in specific codes, which of course we have a full video breaking down all those codes, so make sure you search that up. Or in the shop as well, you could go to the weekly shops and purchase some in here as well. But that's going to be the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.